I have discovered an entirely new app that anybody from anywhere in the world can use to obtain free PayPal money with no investment. It operates worldwide and gives payments through PayPal. Other payment methods are also available. However, if you want this to work, you must follow all of the steps in this video. If you don't watch the full video, this will not work for you, and you will not earn any money. So be attentive and don't let your imagination wander away from the target and watch this 10-minute instructional video and then act on it. It is much better to pay attention for a 10-minute training video that will teach you how to generate money. So pay careful attention. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you are notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online, and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave some comments below. Now let's return to the video. Here you can view the different payment choices available to you, such as PayPal, Payeer, AirTM, or whichever payment method you like. You may use the PayPal option to get paid and collect the money via PayPal. And once you have $5 in your PayPal account, you can cash out and spend it on anything you choose. If you don't want to use PayPal or aren't accessible in your country, you may use Payeer, AirTM, or another payment method. So before we begin, I'd want to offer you evidence that this truly works, as you will see that many individuals are already profiting from this platform. And they're being paid practically every few minutes. And these people are from all around the world. This is unquestionably a well-paying website, and it works well. So let me walk you through precisely how you can do this for yourself. Step 1 is to go to Google and look for various articles and blog posts that you believe people would be interested in reading before you even get to the app. You don't need your website, don't worry. You don't need to have any social media profiles, and you don't even need a YouTube channel to make videos. I want you to go to Google and search for anything you believe people would be interested in reading, such as trending articles with unusual facts or anything else you think people will click on. For example, you can seek 10 odd things about the water. It is not advisable to search for one area, like gold or sports, or anything that would appeal to a small set of people, but rather something that millions of people would be interested in learning about. For example, 100 amazing water facts you should know, or anything you want to call it. Select anything which you believe appeals to a massive number of individuals. You may also choose fascinating tales or strange facts about subjects that many people are interested in. It might be a movie about a movie star, an actor, or a YouTube sensation. I want you to identify items that you believe a large number of people would be interested in. So after you found that article, I was hoping you could right-click on it and copy the URL. So after you've copied the link that opens the article, that's all you have to do. You need to go to Google for step 1 and select an article or blog post that you believe would appeal to a broad group of people and copy its link. I want you to go to another app called Exeio for step 2. I want you to go to another app called Exeio for step 2. This is now available for use on your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or computer. I'm using my desktop PC. On this website, which is Exeio, you can shorten your URLs, share them, and make money. You may shorten lengthy URLs or long links and share them with friends, family, etc. And you'll be paid every time someone clicks on the link you shortened. As a result, they are not required to sign up for anything. They don't need to spend any money, and they don't need to purchase anything. They need to click once, and you'll get compensated. That's incredible. It's far simpler to get someone to click on a link than to join up or purchase anything. As you can see, there are just 3 basic actions required. Number 1, make an account, and I'll teach you how to do so for free. Number 2, I'll walk you through the process of shortening your links. And number 3, you will make money and learn how it works. Now, we're utilizing this app since they offer the highest rates, which means you'll make the most money for those clicks. You'll also get complete information on who is clicking on your links. They also have fantastic referral program. So if you want to share this with your friends and family, or if you find someone interested in making money with Exeio, share your referral link and you will earn 50% of all their lifetime earnings, which means you can earn passive income for the rest of your life just for referring someone. And if that individual earns $1,000, you will get $150 without having to move a finger. Now, I'd want you to go to Exeio and click on the sign up button. So you may set up an account. You may do so by generating a different username. Next, input your genuine email address in, establish a password, retype it for confirmation, and agree to their terms of service and privacy policy, which you may read by clicking on it. After that, click Register. Now you've registered your account on Exeio. Now, if you go to the dashboard, you can watch your views, earnings, referral earnings, and average CPM, which is the cost per 1,000 clicks generated by your link. Your earnings per click may vary. They could be smaller or more significant depending on the source of the click. You will undoubtedly make more money if it comes from a top-tier country. If it is from a developing nation, your profits will be reduced, because when someone clicks on your shortened link, they will be sent to an ad landing page. They will also be shown advertisements, which they may choose to ignore. When people skip those adverts, they will be forwarded to the link you intended for them to visit. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Now let's return to the video. So Exeio is just sharing ad income with you, and it is for this reason that they have the CPM. That is why this truly works. That is why they are paying you for those clicks. So if you're wondering whether this is an intelligent system, the answer is yes, since the individual who clicks doesn't have to pay any money, and they can't avoid those adverts. Exeio is earning money, and you are making money as well. So after you start generating cash and have $3 in your account, you can head over to withdrawals and choose whichever payment method you like. In this situation, I'd prefer to use PayPal. Just input your PayPal email address and you'll be able to cash out and spend the money on anything you like. But first, you have to start receiving those clicks. Once you found an interesting article on Google, I'd want you to establish a link. So you may shorten it after you did it to that article or blog post that you believe many people will click and read. This is why I suggested you choose content that would appeal to a broad audience. So copy the URL and shorten the link, which you can easily do, as I've already told you. That will give you the shorter Exeio link. That is something you can replicate, and you will get compensated someone clicks anytime on this link. Now, all you need is for people to click on this link. And to make all of this work, you want to locate people who are interested in reading those articles. So now I'll show you two other traffic sources that you can utilize to obtain those hits automatically and for free, even if you don't have any social network following, even if you're a total beginner. Your initial traffic source should be Herculist.com. This platform will enable you to market any link you desire for free daily. So it provides you a complete email list, and you can send one email with one click to thousands of different individuals every single day for free, with a decent probability that many of them will click on your link. Once again, you will be compensated for each click on your link. The second traffic source you may employ is not free, but it will help you obtain more clicks much more quickly. This site is already known as Shoutcart.com. You can explore all of the various influencers on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok if you join up for free on Shoutcart.com, and they can market your shortened link to hundreds of thousands of individuals for minimal cost. For example, if you choose Instagram, you can promote your shortened link for $10. And out of 500,000 individuals, if I receive at least 5,000 clicks on my link and get $10 for 1,000 clicks, I'll make $50. So I just earned $40 profit without raising a finger, since you have to pay $10. Give them your link and they will market it for you, creating a snowball effect. So if you have $10 to invest, start with one shout out. And if you start generating money in the $50 to $60 range, reinvest part of it in additional shoutouts. The more you earn, the more shoutouts you can buy, also from larger pages. You're starting a snowball effect yet again, and you can get those shoutouts every day, and you can get those clicks automatically daily. With Shoutcart.com, you can reach millions of individuals, and you may earn hundreds of thousands of hits on your reduced URLs. Just make sure the article and blog posts you encounter on Google are engaging and interesting. As a result, many individuals will click on them. So once again, you get money anytime someone clicks. So this is an excellent and enjoyable method to make additional money online. So start for free with Herculist, get some clicks, make money, and then start reinvesting in Shoutcart to establish some company. It's a fantastic one, and it's simple since you can do it with only your phone. That's all for today's video, and thanks for watching it. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.